What are you doing, Katie?
I'm working out.
All right, good for you.
And I'm going to show you how to make my Work It roll-on.
All right,
Double time.
Let's do this.
All right, for this recipe, you will use tea tree, peppermint, and clean and fresh essential oils. So to make this, you'll need a 10 milliliter roll-on.
Okay.
Our subscribers get this in their big
Bonus
bonus box. And fractionated coconut oil.
Also in the big bonus box.
And you'll also want to use a funnel. So to make this, we're gonna take our roll-on, take the lid off, and this little roller ball off. Shiloh, do the honors. There's some citrus oil in this blend that are really uplifting, so it'll help you work better, not harder.
All right.
So now, this is a 10 milliliter roll-on, so we're gonna use about 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil and just fill it up. But let's use that funnel.
Oh, good thing you did that.
All right, once you've added that, you can put the roll top back on. And you can put this lid on too.
Make sure you shake it.
And then you shake it to make sure that it is all mixed up. Once it is shaken, it's ready to be used, but first, label it. Our subscribers get these really cool stickers that label it with the ingredients in it and how to use it as well. There you have it, a Work It roll-on. To use it, rub it onto your pulse points so that you can get a good whiff of it to help energize you throughout your day.
Keep you motivated. I'm Shyla.
Work it. I'm Katie.
And we're certified aromatherapists with Simply Earth.
For more great recipes like this one, head to blog.simplyearth.com.
And if you're not already a subscriber, head to simplyearth.com and subscribe to this month's recipe box.
You'll get everything you need for this recipe and more.
See you later.